Hello, Super Saver. I hope you're healthy and well this week. A looming debt ceiling deadline on June 1st, mixed signals about the direction of future interest rate decisions, and overall uncertainty about Treasury yields means that we've got a lot of questions recently about auto roll and TreasuryDirect. So here's what I'll be covering in today's video. 1. How to turn off auto roll on TreasuryDirect, Fidelity, and Schwab. 2. Have we stopped auto roll on our T-bill ladders? 3. What the tax implications of auto rolling your T-bills are, if any. And 4. My personal TreasuryDirect confession and what we're planning to do to help the TreasuryDirect fans and non-fans in our community. As usual, here's our front of video disclaimer. For a detailed disclaimer, please refer to the end of this video. So, let's dive in now, folks. So, TreasuryDirect, Fidelity, and Schwab are the only 3 places that I know of that offer auto roll or auto reinvestment when it comes to T-bills. And turning off auto roll with any of the 3 is relatively straightforward. Let's start first with TreasuryDirect and then move on to Fidelity and Schwab. To cancel auto roll on TreasuryDirect, I can simply log into my TreasuryDirect account, click on Manage Direct, and select Edit Reinvestments. On the screen that appears, I'll choose Bill and click Submit. And here, this is the only T-bill that I have on auto roll. I'll check this box to choose this T-bill, put 0 here to stop auto roll, read through this section to make sure I understand everything, and then I'll click Submit. I find that the fastest way to turn off auto roll with Fidelity is to simply call them. I call them often and I've rarely waited more than 5 minutes. Having said that, if you don't want to call them and would rather do this online, you'll have to wait until shortly before your T-bill matures. At that point, Fidelity will send you an email, like this one, letting you know that your Treasury security will be maturing soon and will be invested into the next one with a similar term. If I scroll down this email, you can see that I have the option to cancel this new order in the reinvestment position by clicking here. So if you're a Schwab customer, it's also easy to cancel by logging into your account and clicking No under this Reinvest column. Now, the debt ceiling, the direction of interest rates, and blip yields on shorter duration T-bills that are due to mature in June. There's a lot going on at the moment. For those of you interested in learning more about the debt ceiling and the impact on your bond holdings, make sure to check out our latest members-only videos and conversations on this topic. I've included the link with membership details in the video description below. In any case, from my point of view, even if negotiations in Washington drag on, and even if speculation over the Fed's next move may increase, and even if volatility in the Treasury market may continue, I'm still getting 5% plus yields every time a 13-week T-bill in one of our ladders auto rolls into the next 13-week T-bill. Plus, all of that interest earned on my T-bills is still exempt from state and local income taxes. So we're still laddering 13-week T-bills in both our retirement and non-retirement accounts. And every 4 weeks, when one tranche of 13-week T-bills matures, it gets auto-rolled into the next tranche of 13-week T-bills. Some weeks the rate is better than expected, some weeks it's not. That's just the nature of Treasury auctions. But knock on wood, all of the recent auto-rolls have been at or above the 5% level. That said, everyone's financial journey is different, as I always say, so make sure you do what's right for you and your specific circumstances. And on a related topic, I saw a comment from one of our super savers a little while ago stating that Fidelity now offers auto roll on the 17-week T-bill. If any of you have successfully auto rolled 17-week T-bills with Fidelity, please drop a comment below and let me and the other super savers know. Now, let's move on to auto roll and taxes. So this question came up from one of our super saver members. Say that you buy a 3-month T-bill from Fidelity in March 2023 and you put it on auto roll. You stop the auto roll in January 2024. Are you subject to tax each time the 3-month period is up? So, do you get a 1099 in 2023 and a 1099 in 2024? Or do you get a 1099 at the time that you stop the auto roll in 2024 only? And the answer is, based on the 1099s we got last year, that in this member's example, you would get a 1099 in 2023 and a 1099 in 2024, assuming that we're talking about a non-retirement account. Having said that, if you want to be 100% certain what applies to your specific situation, I suggest you consult with a tax professional. And for those of you who want to dive deeper into the tax implications for your Treasury securities on your own, I've included TreasuryDirect's link to this document on interest income reporting for marketable Treasury securities for your reference in the video description below. Now, let's move on to my favorite part of today's video. I actually work for TreasuryDirect. Okay, that was a joke. I'm kidding. Seriously, I'm kidding. But I am curious how many of you actually believed me or fell off of your chair when I said that. Drop a comment below and let me know. Okay, I really don't work for TreasuryDirect, nor do I have any other direct or indirect affiliation with them, much as I respect them. But if there's anyone from TreasuryDirect watching this video, you should know that folks feel quite strongly about the virtual keyboard that is now just a distant memory and a part of financial internet history. That's what I figured out when we posted this recent video. Because personally, it felt like we had more comments about the virtual keyboard than we did about the 5.2% CMB that was being auctioned off. So my true confession is that I really do miss the virtual keyboard and that feeling that perhaps your heart's pumping loud enough for the world to hear because, oh my goodness, did my mouse just click on the wrong key and now I'll have to live with being locked out of my TreasuryDirect account forever or deal with being on hold for 2 hours waiting for a human being to unlock my account. But you know what? It's the old discussion about the evil you know versus the evil you don't know. And it seems the evil we didn't know, this one-time password system, this OTP system that sends you your one-time password every time that you want to do something on TreasuryDirect, had some of our community members waiting for hours to receive a one-time password last week to log into their accounts, as evidenced by all the responses to this message that we posted in our community section last week. And by the time some of you did receive your OTP hours later, it had expired and you had to start all over again. Well, it seems the problem has been fixed, but this OTP issue did have us thinking here at Diamond NestEgg. There's often questions about or problems with the TreasuryDirect site. So we're going to try something on this channel. If you have TreasuryDirect issues going forward, please post a comment on our latest video or our latest community post, and we'll try our best to put up a message in the community section like we did about the OTP issue. Given the large number of super savers we have on this channel with TreasuryDirect accounts, I'm hoping this might be a good way to compare notes on whether others are having the same issue you might be having, as well as gather intelligence on what's being done by TreasuryDirect to resolve the issue. And in the best case scenario, our community might even be able to offer one another a solution or a shortcut. Perhaps this will make the TreasuryDirect experience a bit more pleasant for all of us who don't feel it's always smooth enough. And if not, well, we'll figure out what tweaks can be made, if any. All right, Super Saver, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. For those of you who want to take a deeper dive into our latest members-only videos, check out our channel page or the join link in the video description below for more details. And if you're a Super Saver member already, then make sure you didn't miss this latest one in the Member Zone. See you again very soon with more brand new wealth-building content for your financial journey.